This is the Manchester United game against Hull City, which was played in all ground, where we saw Mendy and Ajayi scoring. I noticed three things in the game, almost four things in the game. And it's the first match of the season, so there is no need to panic. But in the first way, we noticed the set piece vulnerability. United, they were not defending well. In the set piece, Hull City exposed United defensive weakness when Samuel Ajayi and Mendy scored from first half set pieces. Notice that? And again, lack of physical fight. Lack of physical fight, Target carry side, like we know, United manager failed to match all intensity, losing nearly two-thirds of their duels. Every duel, they lost it, and headers before halftime. It was in the second half that was when United actually stepped up, that also they were not able to not the ball when they get to United post. Again, in the second half it was better. Now again, let's attack. A strikeless 4-2-3-1 formation. That formation should have produced goals. But that formation failed to break down all City's resolve back five. They were playing back five, but at some point you still see them going forward, and they were playing back five, leaving attackers insulated, like they were insulated. They couldn't match until the substitute arrived. When the substitute arrived, Rashford, that was when the game actually looked like United was trying to threaten the All City's defense. And again, this is the beginning of the season, and if you look at the team very well, you notice United actually brought in a young defender, Evan, which I think yesterday looks like hell for him. Because there was a mistake he made that would have forced the goal. It would have been hell, and the fans would have been shouting. But I was so happy that Maguire actually ran in and actually helped him out. And if you look at the game again, you notice that United played two midfielders that have not played together before in their lifetime. This is the first time they are playing together. One came from Chelsea, one came from Aston Villa. You will notice that. Then you see that it was Talisman and Santos. But I think from second match of the season, they will start rhyming, they will start playing. And like Eric said, he said, no need to panic. It's the first game of the season. And this first defeat of the season will not stop them from achieving what they want to achieve this season. So if you believe that Michael Carrick can turn Manchester season around, write in the comment section. Let's see your view about United game yesterday. Peace and love.